next line, and this is my lecture schedule assignment. So the goal of this was to make sure we schedule lectures that no two classes that share students occur at the same time. Obviously, because the student can't be at two places at once. And then on top of that, we have to find out how many conflicts there are before we run the algorithm. So I'll run the program, and then we could talk us through it. So basically, the way I set it up is I got the adjacency matrix from the assignment hard coded. A one means that two lectures share students, and then a zero mean they don't. So the lectures are A through G, as we can see here, and that's seven total. So I have two main methods, which are up here, which I can pull out for us here. So I have conflict, count conflicts, which is, of course, how many conflicts we have, and then greedy coloring. Part one is the conflicts before scheduling. So if we open this back up right here, part one, that's 13. Um, so these are all pairs of lectures that share the same students, and then they would clash if they were given the same time slot. So the way that was counted is just through a loop, through the upper triangle of the matrix, so I don't count the same pair twice. And then every time I see a one, it just increments the counter. Part two is where the graph coloring is. So the idea that each lecture is a node, and and we assign the colors where each color represents a time slot, as we can see here. And then, so the greedy algorithm just goes through each of the lectures one by one, and then checks what time slots its neighbors already have, and then it'll give the small slot that's still available. So you can see it's stepping through. A gets slot one, B gets slot two, C gets slot three, and then D gets slot one again because it doesn't counter, doesn't interact with A. So and the end result here is that we need four different time slots to make sure all the classes get scheduled at different times with the same students. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.